Tree of Knowledge presents how to save money. Saving money is not always an easy task, but it is definitely worth the effort in the long run. It can help you be prepared for unexpected financial emergencies, as well as achieve your long-term financial goals. One of the keys to successful saving is to make it a habit. Start small and gradually increase the amount you save each month. Even saving just a few dollars a week can add up over time. Saving money is an important part of financial planning and can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you are saving for a rainy day, a down payment on a house, or your retirement, there are many strategies you can use to save money. Create a budget. One of the simplest ways to save money is to create a budget. A budget can help you keep track of your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Start by listing all of your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then, look for areas where you can reduce your spending. For example, you could try eating out less frequently, cutting back on your cable or internet bill, or using public transportation instead of driving. Automate your savings. Another effective way to save money is to automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a separate savings account, so you don't have to think about it. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Avoid debt. Another important factor to consider when saving money is to avoid debt. High-interest debt can be a major obstacle to saving money. If you have debt, it is important to make a plan to pay it off as soon as possible. Once you are debt-free, you can start putting more money towards your savings. Lifestyle changes. Finally, consider making small changes to your lifestyle that can add up to big savings over time. For example, bring your lunch from home instead of eating out. Turn off the lights when you leave a room, and use coupons or shop sales to save money on groceries. It's important to have a clear understanding of your financial goals and priorities. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your savings plan. Whether you are saving for a down payment on a house, a child's education, or your retirement, having a specific goal in mind can help you stay on track. Another important thing is to remember that saving money doesn't mean sacrificing everything you enjoy. It's all about finding a balance between your financial goals and your lifestyle. You can still treat yourself to small luxuries, as long as you are mindful of your spending and make sure you are saving enough to achieve your long-term goals. It's also important to regularly review your budget and savings plan to make sure they are still working for you. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, and your savings plan should adjust accordingly. Don't be afraid to seek advice from a financial advisor if you need help creating a plan that works for you. Remember, saving money is a journey that requires discipline and patience, but the rewards are worth it. By taking small steps today, you can build a strong financial foundation for your future. In summary, saving money is an important part of financial planning and requires discipline and patience. By making it a habit, avoiding debt, having clear financial goals, and getting creative with your saving strategies, you can build a strong financial foundation for your future. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.